found with my nails, I was able to remove these. Beautiful. So just like that, we've got the clips removed, and then you'll be able to more easily and safely insert your top trim piece cover here and remove it without much difficulty at all. Look at this, how easy is that? Just pops out. So really you're future proofing this area by removing these two clips. Howdy guys, how you going? On today's video I wanted to show you all a couple things. Firstly, how to remove a ICC triangle trim piece here out of a BA or BF Falcon. And I also want to show you all how you can actually kind of future-proof this area. A lot of us have definitely either broken one or trying to remove this damaged and cracked, the very weathered trim piece here. So to actually avoid that today, I'd like to show you all that these are the two clips that hold the triangle in place, these two yellow ones. And what you actually want to do is remove these yellow clips, so that way the actual trim piece itself just slots into the position as opposed to having to be forced out. And that's usually where we fall into problems. Okay guys, now what you want to do is go and pop out the two clips, which we got one over here and one over here, which looks like that. And what you want to do is go and get a plastic trim removal tool. Now you can get these for I don't know, about say 15-20 bucks a pack of them from your local kind of auto parts store, perhaps even cheaper online on eBay. But what you want to go through and do is insert it very carefully in this bottom corner, and you can go and lift up and pop up that first clip, and sometimes you can help it pop out with a little bit of help in the corner, and then you can slide your finger across. Now be very, very careful. If yours is weathered, you might find it will crack, so just be very, very slow, very, very careful. And there we go. So again, just very quickly, when you got one side down, other side down, bump your camera, lift that corner, and then run across very slowly until it gives up. Perfect. Now what I just wanted to show you all earlier was that this is one from like a Fairmont or a Gear or something like that, and I've already gone ahead and actually taken off those yellow trim kind of clips, so that way we'll be able to actually see when this one firstly just locates down the bottom and then it just falls into place. How easy was that, guys? Look at this. You can basically just remove it without much force now. It just falls out. Beautiful. So in comparison, when we look at one of these that have the clips, it's one of those really scary things, not only clicking it in, but also when we want to remove it out, especially if yours is quite weathered and your car's been sitting out in the sun, it may crack on you even if you're being careful, and even if you're using a plastic trim removal tool. And so I'd just like to show you all how you can remove these little kind of trim pieces here, these little yellow clips. They basically just pull out. There's like little tabs on either end, and I just use my nails, and you can actually lift the two wings outward like that and up, and it went into oblivion, but that's okay. We'll do the other one. We'll go and get one side opened and the other side opened. You could probably do this with a screwdriver, but I found with my nails I was able to remove these. Beautiful. So just like that, we've got the clips removed, and then you'll be able to more easily and safely insert your top trim piece cover here and remove it without much difficulty at all. Look at this, how easy is that? Just pops out. So really you're future proofing this area by removing these two clips. Now I found that this was such an easy thing. I really learned it from someone on the forums, on the Facebook kind of pages, and I really hope this helps people in the future. Let your friends know, anyone that has a BA or BF series, that you can very simply go through and take out those little yellow clips, and Bob's your uncle. You've future-proofed the area here. As always, let's flick something for luck. So today, let's go flick this top trim piece for luck. Beautiful. Alright guys, if this video helped, please let me know. And please, share it around. Let's avoid more of these trim pieces cracking and breaking and people unnecessarily having to go and you know, purchase these. I'm sure as time goes, these trim pieces will be getting, you know, harder to find secondhand, but also buying aftermarket, I'm sure will start to, you know, the prices will start to go up. So I hope my video helped today, guys, and looking forward to, you know, the next couple videos in the future. So awesome. Catch you guys soon.